Hi everyone, welcome to South Textile English YouTube channel. We will learn the cotton fiber length, how we decide different type of length come from testing equipment. Testing equipment may be manual method or very good modern testing equipment like SBI 1000 and Office Pro, that is from Worcester company, a renowned company, and there are 5-6 length measurement system is there. We will talk about this length measurement system, and before we have checked this length, previously whenever this type of machine not come in the market, spinners they are generally stapling the cotton, just like hand they are stapling, and they are guessing how much is the length. Accordingly they are setting machine setting done like bottom roll gauge, by all the gauges they are set, and a twist level they are set, because fiber length you will know different will come, then we have to go for different waste percentage, different roller gauge, all the thing. You see, this is called fibrogram curve chart. You see, this is the length. Suppose this way we have taken 0.5 or 1 gram of sample, and the longest fiber we have set on this. Gradually lesser length we have set, and it will come this type curve. This is called curve. This is fiber length, this is distance. You see, this green colored number 6 is called third fiber. Third fiber means the fiber length which are not attending 12.7 mm length, less than 12.7 mm, that is called third fiber. Okay, and you see the longest 2% longest fiber may be in weight or in number. The first one, this length we call 2.5% span length. Then next to two number 5% office length. 5% office length is 5% longest fiber are called 5% office length, and both two are very essential for machine gauging, bottom roll gauge of drop frame, simplex, ring frame. These are very essential. Number 3, you see upper quartile length. That is come from office machine, and that is upper quartile length means, you see, upper quartile length means length of fibers exceeded 25% length, upper length of the fibrogram, that is called UKL, upper quartile length. And after that see upper half mean length, that is come from SBI machine, that is 50% length of fiber. Upper half, you see the average length of the longer half, 50% longer half of fiber, that average is called UHML. Generally UHML come from SBI machine, and whenever this come, we may set a drop frame gauge accordingly, this also, and cotton rate also decided. Both two are for bottom roll gauge specially. This is cotton price decide. Okay? 50% span length means, it means, you see, length of fibers of a sample stand where 50% fiber longer. 50% span length means 50% fiber, longer fiber, that is called 50% span length. Third fiber I have told. The fiber length below 12.7 mm is third fiber length. You see, we will go for detail. Now you see number one is 2.5% span length. That means the length of fiber, exactly 2.5% of fibers may be weight or numbers. You see, suppose we have taken 1 gram of fiber, 1 gram 2.5%, how much is coming? That fiber length will be decided at 2.5% span length. Suppose this area we are covering this area 2.5% span length. Okay, मतलब 2.5% of longest fiber, that is 2.5% span length, and 5% of its length means 5% longest fiber. You see, 5% longest fiber, it is called number 2. You always think 2.5% span length or 5% of a length, more or less slightly lower side, and you see upper quartile length, the length of fibers exceeded by 25% of the fibers by weight of a test sample. You see, whenever we have taken the test sample 1 gram and 0.5 gram, 25% of longest fiber, that average is called UHML, upper quartile length. That is called upper quartile length, 25% of longest fiber. UHML, the average length of longer half of the cotton fibers by weight in sample. UHML, you see 4 number, and you understand one thing, UKL length is slightly more than UHML, and UKL come from office machine, UHML come from SBI machine, and you see UHML means what is saying, the average length of the longer half of the cotton fibers by weight in a sample. ये जो longer half, you see this is suppose half, and this half, longer half, this is, that mean is UHML. Okay, 4 number. Then 50% span length, that is you see, that is distance, you see, suppose this distance is 20 centimeter. Okay, or this is 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter, where is the fiber length average? In 10 centimeter, the average fiber length is called length of fibers of a sample strand, where 50% of fiber longer. Here you see, here 50% of the fiber longer. So this is the length of 50% span length. Okay, short fiber content SFC, that is less than 12.7 mm. How we will take the percentage of short fiber? You understand one thing. Suppose 1 gram of sample we have taken. Okay, and short fiber you 12.7 mm and lesser, you weigh this fiber, and that amount of weight divided by 1 gram into 100. It will come the percentage, short fiber percentage. Okay, and you see application of this length. How we will use this length? You see 2.5% span length. To decide bottom roll gauge setting, hand stapling length also same. 2.5% span length generally used for bottom roll drop frame, bottom roll gauge, simplex bottom roll gauge. Accordingly, we are doing the gauges of nib to nib distance. You suppose bottom roll, this is top roll. Okay, this nib to nib distance, this distance decided from 2.5% span length. Another thing, 5% upper length, in as a hand stapling length also same. Whenever technician doing hand stapling, that was they are gauging 2.5% span length also. in a 5% office length, in different process, this length taken and fine tuning of the bitter speed. देखो 5% span length is a office report regarding length. Whenever we are process cotton in different area like blow room, carding, drying, simplex, in everywhere we can check the inlet sample, outlet sample, and we will check it on office machine. Then we will check whether fiber length is increased or decreased. If fiber length is decreased, that means there is some rupture in the process. We have to set the process accordingly. You see, 5% office length to fine tuning a plant to get a optimum quality, optimum CSP, optimum matlab productivity for this. You see, fine tuning a bitter speed, bitter speed and gauges, carding, cylinder, recurring, flat speed, flat to cylinder gauges, standard bottom roll gauges, in drop frame, simply repair. A 5% office length is more important in all these things. More important is 5% office length. Modern mills, they are using this. You see, more UCL, upper quarter length, more UCL, smoother and durable of the fiber, the yarn, less short fiber content. UCL more means short fiber, less short fiber content, good IPA of yarn. It is also help to decide uniformity index. We may decide cotton price from this length. In this UCL length will help us to decide the cotton price also. And another thing you see, UHML, this to set drafting roller distance, to manage the everyday bale mixing, to decide the cotton price. You see, UCL means whenever we are taking mixing, that we are checking whether 30 mm cotton or 30.5 or 31 mm. Accordingly, we are setting the mixing report, and that is very, very important. Whenever any cotton sample coming to us, we are check UCL or UHML to decide the price of the cotton. Another thing, 50% span length, it gives a approximation of average length. That gives us approximately half of the length of cotton. It helps us calculate length uniformity. It helps us calculating the length uniformity. You know, length uniformity is very important for CSP point of view. If length uniformity is good, then yarn CSP will come better. Short fiber is very important thing. It creates yarn hairiness. If short fiber more, hairiness will be more. High IPI level, short fiber more, IPI also high. Okay. Long thin, thick fault, it will come. Naps generation also come due to short fiber. Low CSP, yarn CSP also, yarn strength also deteriorate if short fiber more. High breakage rate in simplex rim frame. In process, rim frame, simplex, everywhere, breakage rate will be increased if short fiber content more. And also drafting wave come in process. Because of short fiber content more, suddenly a bunch of short fiber passes in drafting zone and it will create drafting wave. One type of fault, it will deteriorate the quality, Worcester and IPI, CSP, all the things it will damage. And you see, we have point out 1, 2, 3, 6, yeah, this short fiber content. Testing equipment say 2.5% span length, it will give digital fibrogram like Worcester SBI 1000, it will give us 5% appeal length. Worcester office will give. If you have no Worcester office, then Premier Evolvis digital auto span or Mag Selvix DigiLane system. This also gives us 5% length or 50% span length. Worcester SBI, UKL office, UHML SBI, SFC SBI office or bare shutter, yeah, comb shutter. That is manual method. It will give SFC. SFC is very important and it should come less than 7%. Agar if 6 to 7, it will better cotton. More than 8%, that is bad cotton. And regarding, you see, drop hem gauges, bottom roll gauge means nip to nip gauge. 0 to 4 mm more than the 5% office length. If you are deciding gauge as per office length, 0 to 4% must be wider than the 5% office length. You see, suppose this is the bottom roll, okay. Suppose your 5% office length 35 mm. You see, you can keep gauge 35 to 39 in drop hem, a front zone, and then 2 mm more in back zone. If you are doing gauges as per UHML, then it will come 4 to 10 mm more. You see where 35 mm 5% office length gauge coming, that fiber is the more or less 29 mm. Then that time you will do 4 to 10 mm more than the UHML SBI testing. Okay. In case of bracket drop hem, keep 2 mm wider than the above bottom roll gauge. This gauge is for finisher. If we are doing bracket drop hem gauge, then 2 mm wider keep from that thing. Today we are this much of video. Thank you.